Hello again in the Beginner's Guide to Learning AutoCAD. In today's video, we will learn about blocks in AutoCAD. Transform an attached external reference into a block. In the command line, type XREF and press Enter. The External References window will appear on the screen. Click on the right button and select Attach DWG File, or type EXAttach in the command line, then select the DWG file you want to insert as an external reference, for example, Drawing 2. Then determine the parameters such as the scale. Default insertion point is 0 in X, Y, and Z, and others. I select it, and in the AutoCAD Properties window, we find that our object is defined as an external reference. Now, select Drawing 2. Click the right button and choose Bind. Press Enter. Choose Insert, then OK. We notice that the file has disappeared from the External References window, and our object has become a reference block, as we see here in the Properties box. Now, you can make modifications to this block in the current drawing, scaling it, making modifications, and also decomposing it. You can also export it to other drawings. It has the same name as the inserted file. I hope you have benefited from the content of this video. Take a few seconds to press like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you again in a next video.